Traveling is an exciting adventure that opens doors to new experiences, cultures, and memories. However, it also comes with challenges that can impact your health if not managed carefully. To stay healthy while traveling, it's essential to adopt thoughtful habits and plan ahead, ensuring your well-being remains a priority throughout your journey. Before embarking on your trip, thorough preparation is key. Researching your destination is a fundamental step. Understanding the local climate, food options, and health conditions can help you pack appropriately and mentally prepare for the environment you'll be stepping into. For instance, if you're traveling to a tropical location, you may need sunscreen, insect repellent, and light breathable clothing. If the destination requires vaccinations, make sure to schedule them well in advance. Additionally, consider packing a first aid kit tailored to your needs, including medications for common ailments, antiseptic wipes, and any prescription drugs you regularly take. Having these essentials on hand can save you from unnecessary stress and potential health risks. Hygiene is another crucial aspect to maintain during your travels. While exploring new places, you'll encounter a variety of public spaces and surfaces that may harbor germs. Washing your hands frequently with soap and water is a simple yet effective way to reduce the risk of infections. When soap isn't available, a hand sanitizer with at least 60% alcohol is a great substitute. Food safety also plays a significant role in staying healthy. Be cautious about where and what you eat, especially in regions where food hygiene standards might differ. Opt for freshly prepared, fully cooked meals and drink bottled or purified water to avoid waterborne illnesses. Staying active while traveling is equally important. Long flights, bus rides, or car journeys can leave you feeling stiff and lethargic. Make an effort to incorporate movement into your day, whether it's stretching during layovers, walking to explore the local area, or engaging in activities like hiking, swimming, or yoga. Regular physical activity not only keeps your body energized, but also helps improve circulation, especially during long periods of immobility. Eating a balanced diet can be challenging on the road, but it's not impossible. While it's tempting to indulge in all the local delicacies, try to maintain a balance by including fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins in your meals. Carrying healthy snacks like nuts, seeds, or dried fruits can be a lifesaver during long journeys, or when healthy options aren't readily available. These choices not only nourish your body, but also keep your energy levels stable throughout the day. Hydration is a factor that's often overlooked but is vital to staying healthy, especially when traveling in hot climates or at high altitudes. Carry a refillable water bottle with you, and make it a habit to drink water regularly. Avoid excessive consumption of alcohol and caffeine, as these can contribute to dehydration and disrupt your sleep cycle, which is another important component of health while traveling. Quality sleep helps your body recover from the stresses of travel, strengthens your immune system, and keeps you mentally alert. To improve your sleep, try to adapt to the local time zone as soon as possible and create a restful environment with tools like earplugs, eye masks, or white noise apps. Being mindful of your surroundings and personal safety is also essential. Protect your skin by using sunscreen and wearing hats or sunglasses, especially in sunny destinations. In areas where insects are prevalent, an effective insect repellent can protect you from bites and diseases. Furthermore, avoid crowded places or situations that might expose you to illnesses, and always keep a small bottle of disinfectant wipes to clean frequently touched surfaces like airplane trays or hotel remotes. Stress management is another vital aspect of staying healthy while traveling. A packed itinerary might seem exciting, but it can also lead to burnout. Allow yourself some flexibility to rest and unwind. Practice relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, or even a short mindfulness session to maintain mental clarity and reduce anxiety. Finally, always be prepared for unexpected health issues by knowing where to find medical help at your destination. Having travel insurance that covers medical emergencies provides peace of mind and ensures that you can access quality care if needed. Familiarizing yourself with local emergency numbers and the nearest medical facilities can make a significant difference in an emergency. By paying attention to these aspects and being mindful of your health, you can ensure that your travels are enjoyable and free from unnecessary health concerns. Staying healthy while traveling doesn't mean compromising on fun. It means equipping yourself to fully enjoy every moment with vitality and energy. Thanks for joining me on this journey to explore how to stay healthy while traveling. If you found these tips and product recommendations helpful, check the product recommendations in the description below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your fellow travelers, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome travel content. Hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our next adventure. Stay safe, stay healthy, and happy travels. See you in the next video.